That's a new 2mm floor, overplated and welded in. Plug welded up the middle, stitch welded down the side. Didn't weld brilliantly because the original floors are only stitch welded in. It says all resin and bark and all sorts of crap down the sides, plus the rust. So it was a bit of a nightmare trying to get some bits to weld, particularly by the back. We got there in the end. This floor plate could have done being a bit wider. I had to move it about 20mm forwards to get it to meet both sides. So I have to amend the CAD file for future use. But that's fully welded in, so that's done. We've added some supports because apparently these Timberwolves crack, especially when they get a bit older, up here where the chute connects to the actual the chipping part. So I've added some supports on the side, and they just rest down on the light bar, whatever you want to call it, tail lights. So this was the other bit we fixed. The threads in this were just gummed up. They retapped that. New 16mm bolt in from the bottom, Loctited. That sorted that out because that was absolutely sea solid. We sorted the hitch out as well because with a hitch, these threads in the hitch were absolutely shot. So we drilled that out 16.25, tapped it 3/4 Whitworth, and we adapted a new handle with a 3/4 Whitworth bolt and welded that onto the end. So that's now sorted that issue out. That was M16 before, and we've gone to 3/4. So just a couple of little repairs on a Timberwolf chipper.